Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? All good? Yes, let me know if you can see. Like, am I audible? Am I visible properly? I'm not able to see your chat still now. Yes, good evening. Very good evening to everyone. Hi, good evening. How are you all? Everyone is doing good? Are you all fine? Have you started going to school again? I am good. I am good. Thank you so much. Thank you for asking. So, school has reopened. Great. You always love to go to school, right? Meeting your friends after a long 1 month. Yeah, it's always so exciting. Yes. Last last week we had discussed about tenses. If I'm not wrong, I hope you all have like you all are practicing whatever we are studying every week. Throughout the summer vacation, you have enjoyed your summer vacation really well, I must say. All the classes must be very enriching for you. Good evening, very good evening. So today our concept is articles. Today we are going to start discussing about articles. Before that, we will have a small word game. We are going to have a little word game, a warm up session before we start discussing. Yes, get ready for the word games, everyone. Hare Krishna, Jai Jagannath. Okay, so this is the first word game. You will have to fill in the blank. You will have to fill in the blank. One, two, three, four. There are four words. You will have to fill in the blank and like make the frame the words. Write your answers. Write your answers in the chat box. Write the answers in the chat box. What is the first word? One, two, three, four. You can write all the answers together. I'm waiting for your answers. Let me see who can do it first. Okay, number one, I have already got. So, number one, you are saying carrot. Okay. CARROT. Okay. What about number two? What about number two? Number two. Fast. Number two. What is the second word? The second word is, yeah, number one is carrot. What is the second word? Banana is wrong. Table. Very good. So it is TABLE. Table. Good job. What about number three? What about number three? Rabbit. Number three is rabbit. RABBIT. Wonderful. What about number four? Number four is very easy. Number four, pencil. PENCIL. Good job. Very good. Wonderful. Very good. Okay. So this is done. Let's go to the next word game. Let's go to the next word game. Okay. So these are your answers of the first one. Carrot, table, rabbit, pencil. These are the answers of the first word game. Now going to the next word game. Oh, wow. You will have to unscramble the letters and you will have to tell me what are the words. Jumbled words are given. You will have to unscramble the letters and you will have to tell me what are the words. Number one, tell me, come on, come on, come on. Tell me what is the word in number one? Number one, what is it? Mother, very good. Number one is mother. Number two, number two, number two, number two, number two, number two. Come on, come on, come on. Tiger, very good. Number two is tiger. Number three. What is number three? What is number three? Number three, number three. Who can do number three? Let me see who can crack number three. Number three, number three, number three. Yes, mother and tiger is done. I'm not getting the answer for number three. What is the word in number three? Come on. Teacher. Very good. Who has done it? Mruti Rekha Sahu. Very good. Teacher. This is teacher. Number four. What is number four? Number four is easy. Number four is easy. Number four. What is the answer in number four? Tell me. Come on, come on, come on. Shirt. Sudeep. Sudeepa Pari. Very good. Shirt. Number four is shirt. What about number five? What about number five? Number five, number five, number five. What is the answer of number five? Very good. Class. C-L-A-S-S. Wonderful. Number six. Number six, number six, number six, number six. Number six, number six. Come on, come on, come on. Tell me the answer of number six. Shoes. Shoes. Very good. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Number seven. What about number seven? House. Number seven is house. Very good. And the last one is very easy. The last one is very easy. What is the last one? Tomato. La tomatina. Tomato. Very good. Good job. So let's see the answers. The first one was mother. The second one was tiger. Number three was teacher. Number four, shirt. Number five, class. Number six, shoes. Number seven was house. And number eight was tomato. Wonderful. Good job. So now that your warm-up session is done, we will start discussing about the articles a, an, and the. So you all know that there are three articles, a, an, and the, right? A and an, they are known as the indefinite article, whereas the is known as the definite article, right? Where do we use a? We use a before the vowel sound words. Remember that it's not about the letter. You know there are 5 sounds, right? The 5 sounds that are known as the vowel sounds. So it's not about the letters. It's about the sounds that the letters make, right? So what are the vowels? There are 5 vowels. The first one is A. The sound that it makes is F. F as an apple. F as an amphibian. So A stands for the sound F. E stands for the sound E, like in elephant or egg. I stands for the sound I, like ink. O stands for the sound O, like an orange. And U stands for the sound O, like in umbrella. O, right? So it's about the sounds. Whenever you are and before, okay. So don't get confused. I wrote these vowel sounds over here, but we are talking about the article A, right? So let me not write the vowel sounds over here. Otherwise, you will get confused. Let me write the vowel sounds where you are supposed to use it. So these are the vowel sounds. Now, before these vowel sounds, you always use the article an, right? But whenever you will read a word, you will see the letter obviously, but you will focus on the sound that it makes. You will focus on the sound that it makes. Often it happens, there are certain cases where you can see that the letter is a consonant letter, but the sound that it makes is a vowel sound, right? So in those cases also you will have to use an, right? So be very careful and always pay attention to the sound of the word, not the letter that is there in front of it. Okay? So apple, egg, umbrella, these are words that starts with the vowel sound. And before these words that starts with the vowel sound, you always use an, right? You can read what is written on your screen. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. That is why an is an indefinite article. An is an indefinite article. Why? Because it doesn't tell us about anything specific. The things that they talk about, they are not the specific things, right? The noun starts with a vowel sound and there should be only one thing. It should not be plural. It should not be plural. It should not be uncountable. It has to be a countable noun which is singular in number. So when I say an apple, I am talking about one apple. When I say an egg, I am talking about one egg. When I say an ant, I am talking about one ant. When I say an orange, I am talking about one orange, right? So these are the cases where you are using an before them. And when I say an, that means there is only one thing and it is not specific. So if I say an apple, give me an apple. So you can give me any apple, right? Any apple that is available in the world. If I say an elephant, oh, I saw an elephant today. That means that can refer to any elephant. It doesn't refer to anything particular. Okay, that's about an. Where do you use a? Apart from these 5 vowels, there are 21 consonant sounds like B for B, C for K, D for D, P for P, F for F. There are 21 consonant sounds, and in those before the words that start with those consonant sounds, you use a before them. You use a before them. But this is also again an indefinite article. So when you say a girl, when you say a bird, when you say a tiger, it can mean any tiger, any girl, or any bird. It doesn't talk about anything specific, right? It is an indefinite article. Also, what should I say? Right. So a is used in front of singular countable nouns. You do not use them before the uncountable nouns. You do not say a grass. You do not say a hare because these are all uncountable nouns, right? You don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns, and you use a before the consonant sound. Okay, a comes before the noun that starts with a consonant sound. This much we all know. Now, where do we use the? We use the when we are talking about something specific. We use the in front of the nouns. It does not matter whether the noun is a singular or a plural noun. In case of a or an, it was important that the noun has to be a singular noun. You don't use a or an before plural nouns, but you can use the before both singular and plural nouns. Okay? You can say the girls, you can say the girl also. But when you use the is a definite noun, article. The is a definite article, right? So when you are using the, you are talking about something specific, someone or something specific or something that is unique. So when I say the sun, that means the sun is unique, right? I can say the moon because the moon is unique. I can say the sky because the sky is unique. There is only one sky. You can't see any other sky, right? There is only one sky. Same is the case with the air, the weather. When I say the girl, that means I am talking about any particular girl. The girl, there is a girl sitting at the corner. The girl is very studious. So when I say the girl is very studious, I am talking about that particular girl who is sitting at the corner. Okay? So the first catch is a and an. They are the indefinite article. The is the definite article. When I say indefinite means they do not talk about anything specific. When I say definite, that means it is used for something specific, right? A you use before the words, the nouns that start with the consonant sound, and you use before the nouns that starts with the vowel sounds. In case of the, there is no certain obligation that it has to be a consonant or a vowel sound. It can be used before both the consonant and the vowel sounds. The can be also used before both singular and plural nouns. The is also used in case of the things that are unique in the world. So you do not say a sun. You cannot use a before sun. Okay, ma'am, why? Sir is a consonant sound. Why can't I say a sun? Because sun is one unique thing. So before sun, you cannot use a ever. You will always have to use the. Okay? This much has gone inside the brain, or you are busy chit-chatting on the chat box with all your emojis and everything. Because after this, we will talk about the exceptional cases. There are exceptional cases always when it comes to English grammar, right? So, what happens when I say hour? Do I say a hour or an hour? What happens when I say university? Which article do I use with university? Or which article do I use with MLA? Do I say a university or am I supposed to say an university? Do I say a MLA or am I supposed to say an MLA? And why am I supposed to do that? So when it comes to hour, though it starts with H, the first letter is an H, right? You will say that, ma'am, it is supposed to be a hour because the first letter is H. But as I told you that it's not about the letter, it is about the sound. So do you pronounce it as hour or do you pronounce it as hour? Hour or you pronounce it as hour, right? Hour. And a is a vowel sound. So that is why it is always an hour. Same is the case with honest. Honest. It is never honest, right? Though H is there, but it doesn't pronounce, it is not pronounced as honest, it is pronounced as honest. So the her sound remains silent. So that is why the first sound that comes over here, the beginning sound is a vowel sound. Oh, honest, honest, right? Honest, an honest man. So that is why we are using an before honest and before our. Now, what is the case with university? Ma'am, umbrella, when it is umbrella, we use an. So we say an umbrella. Are we not supposed to say an university? When you are pronouncing umbrella, umbrella, you are your beginning sound of umbrella is is a vowel sound, right? That is why it is an umbrella. But when you are pronouncing university, you are not saying university. You are not saying university like umbrella. You are saying university. Now university, like you, this U is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound. So don't just look at the letter over there, try to understand the sound of it. University, U is a consonant sound. That is why it is always a university. Now, tell me the words with the same kind of sound. A university, a unicorn, a uniform, right? So, these are all starting with the same kind of sound. U, right? So, that is why we are using a before them. Now, what happens with MLA? Now, the first letter is M. The first letter is M, right? So, M for monkey, but we say a monkey. So, we can say MLA. Now, what is the full form of MLA? You are very small. You are children, little children. You are like, you may not know the full form of MLA. MLA stands for member of the legislative assembly. Every locality has their own MLA, right? It's a position. If you don't understand the whole thing, it's a position. Okay. So now, what do we use before MLA? Now you should know that how we pronounce monkey. Monkey starts with the consonant sound ma. Monkey starts with the consonant sound ma. But we are not saying Malay. We are not saying Malay. This is MLA. Now, what is the beginning sound? It's M, ema, ema, ema. So, your beginning sound is A, right? Now, A is a vowel sound. If you remember the vowel sounds, A like egg, like elephant. A is a vowel sound. That is why you will have to write an MLA. You do not write a MLA, you write an MLA. It is an MLA. Okay, so when you are using M as the letter, it becomes an MLA because of the pronunciation Emma, right? But when you are saying monkey, when you are saying any other word that starts with ma, then you are using a, because ma is a consonant sound. Okay? Now the same thing happens with 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note. Or 1 idea. So 1 rupee note. Do I say a 1 rupee note? Or am I supposed to say an 1 rupee note? You can say, ma'am, we to say an orange. We say an orange. So then an 1 rupee note it should be. But orange, the beginning sound of orange is O. It's orange, right? But 1 rupee note, it's not on rupee note. It's one. So the sound is O, wa, right? Wa is a consonant sound. Wa is not a vowel sound. Okay. So that is why here also it will not be an 1 rupee note. It will be a 1 rupee note. It will be a 1 rupee note. Okay. So these are some of the exceptional cases that are often asked. Okay. Why did I discuss about these things? Because these type of questions, at least our or honest or university, these you can be sure that some at least one question from these exceptional cases will always be there wherever you are giving an English exam. Okay. Now we can start discussing the questions, the Olympiad questions. Okay. So if there is any question regarding this, you can ask me. If there is any question regarding this, you can ask me. The exceptional cases, you can ask me if you have any question regarding this exceptional cases. We can discuss them. Okay. Now let's start with the question answers. Your first question, fill in the blank with suitable article a, an or the. Harsh is dash brave man. Harsh is a brave man, the brave man, and brave man, no article. At times, you will have to also understand that there may be some blank where no article will be used. No article like before the uncountable nouns. Before the uncountable nouns, you do not say that give me a water. You cannot say give me a water. You say that give me a glass of water, right? Harsh is a brave man. Harsh is a brave man because ba is a consonant sound. Ba is a consonant sound. Come to number two. What dash beautiful scene? What dash beautiful scene? This is an exclamatory sentence. You can see the exclamation mark. What dash beautiful scene? What a beautiful scene. Very good. It's same as brave. Both have the same beginning sound like buff buff. Number 3, Isha is dash honest girl. Isha is dash honest girl. See, I told you this type of question. These are the teachers' very favorite questions. Okay. Now you are confused. Honest, what to be done? An honest girl. Yes. As I have already discussed with you that honest, though the beginning sound is H, but it doesn't sound like it sounds like O. Honest. So that is why O is a vowel sound and we will write an. We will choose an because honest starts with a vowel sound. Okay, come to number 4. Dash apple you ate was rotten. Try to understand the sentence of number 4. Dash apple you ate was rotten. So we are talking about a particular apple that has been already eaten, right? And that apple was rotten. So we are supposed to use the definite article. We are supposed to use the definite article. It is 4C. Some of you have only seen apple and you are going for an apple. Read the sentence carefully. You will have to read the sentence. Just because there is a vowel sound word doesn't mean that it will start with, like you will be using an before that. It is saying dash apple you ate was rotten. So we are talking about a specific apple. And when we are talking about specific things, we will have to use the. The apple you ate was rotten. As I said, the can be used both before vowel sound words and consonant sound words. Vowel sound nouns and consonant sound nouns, right? So be careful, read the sentence properly, that it is talking about, like specific things or not. Okay? Okay. Let's go to number 5. My uncle lives in dash. My uncle lives in dash. Number 5. Question number 5, option A and option B, A, option C, the, option D, no article. Question number 5 we are talking about. Question number 5. Acha. Now remember that you do not use the before proper nouns. You do not use the before proper nouns. You do not use the before names of places. You do not use the before names of places. You do not say the India. You do not say the Rajasthan. You do not say the Kerala. You do not say the China. You do not say the Africa. Okay, but there are certain cases where you use the before names of places. What are those cases? The first case is where the word united is used, as in United States of America. United States of America. United Kingdom. Okay, so the words where you are using this word united, the names of places where the word united is used, before them you will have to use the. Only in the cases where the word united is used, for example, USA, UAE, UK, in such cases you can use the before them. You can also use the before names of the islands, because they are also groups, right? Groups of islands like Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So before the word Andaman and Nicobar Island, you can use the. So you can use the before the names of the places where the word united is used. You can use the before the names of the islands. Okay, but you cannot use the. Other than these cases, you cannot use the before the proper nouns. Okay, you can use the before the names of the water bodies. You can say the Pacific Ocean. You can write the Pacific Ocean. You can use the article the before names of seas, like the Bay of Bengal, the Ganges. You can use the before the names of the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Okay, you can also use the before the names of the mountain ranges, the Himalayan mountain ranges, right? You can use the before the names of the holy books, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, right? So certain cases, in such cases, you can use the before the proper nouns. But other than that, you cannot use the before the proper nouns. Okay. So my uncle lives in Delhi. No article to be used. No article is needed before Delhi. Okay. Okay. Number 6. Number 6. My brother is dash SP. My brother is dash SP. SP like MLA. Like I had given you the example of MLA. What was happening? M. Here also it is happening S. go for both. You can say my brother is the SP. That is also correct. My brother is the superintendent of police. Or you can say my brother is an SP. Both are correct. But mostly we will go with the. Okay? Mostly we will go with the. My brother is the SP. My brother is an SP. Both are correct. Because SP is also the like a post, right? SP is also the post. So in that case, like the chief minister, you say the chief minister, the prime minister. In such case, you can use the SP also. Okay. Coming to number 7, she is running dash small business. She is running dash small business. For SP, we are going with an. My brother is an SP, like I had told you about the MLA. Number 7, she is running a small business. Okay, number 8, what about number 8? Robin bought dash toy aeroplane. Robin bought dash toy aeroplane. No, we will write an SP, we will write an MLA. We will write an SP, we will write an MLA. Okay. Robin bought a toy aeroplane. Okay. What about number 9? I saw dash black buck in the zoo. I saw dash black buck in the zoo. What is a black buck? What do you think is a black buck? Black buck is? Black buck is an animal, right? Black buck is an animal. It's a deer. Okay. Buck is a deer, right? I saw a black buck in the zoo. Bus sound. I saw a black buck in the zoo. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. I don't have dash automatic camera. I don't have dash automatic camera. Question number 10. I don't have an automatic camera. Okay. Number 11. Dash paper rose smells sweet. Dash paper rose smells sweet. We are talking about a particular paper rose that smells sweet. Dash paper rose smells sweet. We are talking about a particular paper rose that smells sweet. Eleven. Question number 11. The paper rose smelled sweet. Very good. The paper rose smelled sweet. Number 12. Wisdom is divine. Wisdom is divine. Wisdom comes from the word wise, right? Wise, wisdom. Wisdom is divine. A wisdom, an wisdom, the wisdom, no article. Question number 12. Question number 12, we are going with no article. You have no need to use any article over there. Wisdom is an uncountable noun, right? Wisdom is an uncountable noun, and we are not talking about any particular person's wisdom. We are talking about a very general thing. Generally, wisdom is divine. A person who is wise, a person who has wisdom, that is the greatest blessing of God. That is why we are saying that wisdom is divine. It's a very general phrase. We are not talking about anything specific. That is why you cannot use the. Wisdom is not countable. Wisdom is uncountable noun. That's why you cannot use a or an, anything over there. You will have no need to use any article. It is only wisdom is divine. Okay? Okay. Let's go to number 13. He can play dash flute very well. He can play dash flute very well. Question number 13b. He can play a flute very well. Okay. Number 14. Dash book you need is with me. Dash book you need is with me. Particular book we are talking about, the book that you need, that is with me. So we will go with the book you need is with me. Very good. Good job. Articles can be a bit confusing at times. I agree. But you will have to understand the concept, then it will be clear to you. Okay. Number 15. My uncle teaches in dash university. I have already spoken about university with you. University, uniform, unicorn. What am I supposed to use before university? Am I supposed to use a and the? SP. Acha, I think I'm getting this question very late. I'll again just go back to that SP question. So when I was discussing MLA, what did I say? That the word, it is about the sound. Now you are not sounding like the sound of M is not muck over here. If the sound would be muck, like monkey, then it would have been a monkey, right? But M, this sound is a ma, right? And what is the first sound? A. The first sound is A. So this is a blended sound, right? So it's A and then ma, right? What is the first sound? A. So this is the vowel sound. That is why it's an MLN. Same thing is with sir. If S will sound as sir, like spoon, spoon, right? What happens? A spoon. Because sir is a consonant sound. But S, esa, esa. If we will break it, it is esa. This is the sound. Esa. S. S. This is a vowel sound, right? So when you are saying SP, it becomes an SP, right? But if you say spoon, SPOON, you can say, ma'am, this also is starting with SP only, but the sound is spur, spur. Spur is a consonant sound. That's why we are saying a spoon. But we are not saying, we are not pronouncing this as spur, right? We are saying SP. So SA is a vowel sound. That's why you will write an SP. Okay? Okay. Number 15, what are we using before university? We are using a before university. Okay. We are not going with an. We are not writing an university. Okay. Number 16, she is dash sweetest of all friends. Okay. This is another case. Sweetest. If you remember the adjective part, so there are 3 degrees of adjective, right? Positive, comparative, and superlative. Superlative is when something reaches its highest limit. Fastest, sweetest, slowest, most wonderful, most expensive, most beautiful. So in the case of the superlative adjectives, you should always use the. Okay. In any of the superlative adjectives, You should always use the. So she is the sweetest of all my friends. She is the sweetest of all my friends. Got it? 16A? Yes, 16A, the is correct. Number 17, I bought dash oval box. Easy. I bought dash oval box. Oval is a shape. The shape of the egg, oval. 17, I bought an oval box. And option number C. Number 18, my mother gave me dash kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit. We all know kiwi is a fruit. My mother gave me dash kiwi. Question number 18. 18C. My mother gave me a kiwi. Number 19. We had dash amazing picnic last Saturday. We had dash amazing picnic last Saturday. Number 19. Now, why are we going with the? If it would have been most amazing, then you could have gone with the. We had the most amazing picnic. But this is not a specific picnic we are talking about. We had an amazing picnic. We had an amazing picnic last Saturday. Okay. Going to number 20. Question number 20. It was dash best holiday I ever had. It was dash best holiday I ever had. So best is the superlative degree of good, right? Good, better, best. It was dash best holiday I ever had. Question number 20. 20C, it was the best holiday I ever had. Number 21, Anshu believed in dash God. What will you use for God? Anshu believed in dash God. Yes. Can you use the before God, or are you supposed to use a before God? What will you do with God? 21D, no article. In case of God, though God is this unique entity, but before God, you will not use any article. God is used as the proper noun, right? G is always capital. God is used as the proper noun. So as before the proper noun, you do not use any article. You do not say the Raju. You do not say the Ravi. You do not say the Meera. Similarly, you do not use any article before God. Anshu believed in God. That's it. Okay. So it's no article. 22, which is dash highest mountain in the world? Which is dash highest mountain? 22B. Which is the highest mountain? Very good. 23. Dash moon goes around dash earth. Here is a dash, okay? Pair. The pair with where both the words are correct. Pair where both the articles are correct. Question number 23. We are talking about question number 23. 23A, the moon goes around the earth. Moon is also one, earth is also one. So the moon goes around the earth. Someone is saying that, ma'am, this is boring. I'll tell you one thing. Grammar, at times, it's mostly about the rules, right? So, even though at times it feels a bit boring, practice will help you a lot. If you give all the answers correct of this practice session, then your actual Olympiad exam will be easy to you. Okay. So even if it gets a bit boring, try to answer all the questions. Okay. All your friends are doing anyways. Okay. So how blue dash sky looks? Question number 24. How blue dash sky looks? How blue the sky looks? Okay. Coming to 25. Dash Sheila is an actress. Dash Sheila is an actress. And Sheila, the Sheila, a Sheila. No, uncle. Question number 25. Question number 25. 25. No article. As I told you that before proper nouns, names of people, you do not use any article. Sheila is an actress. It's only Sheila is an actress. Come to 26. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a very common question. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. 26. Question number 26. Question number 26. 26A. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay. Let's go to 27. I invited dash doctor as a guest. I invited dash doctor as a guest. 27. We are waiting for the answer of 27. I invited dash doctor as a guest, though it looks like you can use over here. I invited a doctor as a guest. No, we are going to use the over here. I am talking about a particular doctor whom I have called as a guest. Okay. So I invited the doctor as a guest. Okay. Okay. Come to 28. I had my dash lunch at 2 p.m. I had my dash lunch at 2 p.m. I had my dash lunch at 2 p.m. Question number 28. What happened? Where are you? No article. Before lunch, breakfast, dinner, you do not use any article. You do not say our breakfast. You do not say our dinner or the dinner. I had my lunch at 2 p.m. Okay. 29. Chandigarh is dash capital of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is dash capital of Punjab and Haryana. Question number 29. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Okay, good job. Let's go to question number 30. Dash Shakespeare was a great poet. Dash Shakespeare was a great poet. Shakespeare is the name of a great poet. It's the name of a person. So what are we using with question number 30? Question number 30 we are talking about. We will not use any article. We will go with option D because it's a proper noun. It's a name of a person. Okay, choose the correct article to complete its sentence. Question number 31. He is dash police officer who caught the thief. We are talking about a particular police officer who has caught the thief. So go for the definite article. Which one is the definite article? Question number 31. We will not go with a, we will go with the. He is the police officer who caught the thief. Okay. So we will go with the. Okay. Because we are talking about the specific particular police officer. Okay. Okay. Question number 32. There are dash lot of people waiting in dash queue. This is queue. Queue. Queue means it's a line. You always form a line while going to the washroom in school, particularly while going from one classroom to the other, while going to the library, right? So that is a queue. Now there are dash lot of people waiting in dash queue. 32 we are talking about. 32A, this is the correct combination, correct. There are a lot of people waiting in the queue. Very good. 33, I saw dash snail crawling over dash leaf. I saw dash snail crawling over dash leaf. 33 is also A. I saw a snail crawling over a leaf. Okay. Okay. The second last question. Question number 34. Giraffe is dash tallest animal. Giraffe is dash tallest animal. At times, the question might not be visible because it might be a lag of the network, right? Because of the broken network, at times the question might not be visible. But I'm reading out the questions and the options anyways, right? So, giraffe is dash tallest animal. Question number 34. 34C, giraffe is the tallest animal. And the last question is, have you seen dash unicorn? So unicorn also I have already explained to you what you are supposed to use before the word unicorn. Are you supposed to use an? Is it an unicorn or is it a unicorn? 35 option A is correct. Have you seen a unicorn? Okay. So that's all for today. We have discussed about articles. There are exceptional cases. Try to remember the exceptional cases. Okay? Okay. Keep on practicing. We will again meet next week. Thank you all for joining. Bye-bye. See you next week. Enjoy your school. Good night. Good night. Bye.